have a PC, you need to try this. First, click the Windows button plus R on your keyboard. Type in msconfig and click OK. Now click on Boot. Click on Advanced Options. Check number of processor and choose the highest number on the list. Then click on OK and restart your PC. And your PC will be 10 times faster. Someone knows my password, the moment they move the mouse, my computer will shut down. Or if they touch the keyboard,
Hell no, man.
it'll shut down. But if I log in, I can use it normally, and it won't shut down. How? Let me tell you a secret. The moment I log in, I have 30 seconds to create a folder named You Know Who I Am. That's it. If someone else logs in, they don't know this trick. And when they use the mouse or keyboard, it will shut down. To do this, go to bit.ly/nextlevelsecurity and download this zip file. Extract the file and move this file into the startup folder. That's it. Now, if you don't create the folder, you can't touch your mouse or keyboard. I know this isn't useful for everyday use, but it's very handy when you're away for a few days or when you don't want anyone else touching your PC. And yes, I know that only those people who are following me will trust me with the file I gave. That's why I've created a guide on how to create your own script. Don't worry, I've listed every step there. Don't forget to follow me if you like the hard work I put up on these videos. Press Windows plus R to open Run. Then type sysdm.cpl and hit Enter. On the tab, go to System Protection and click Configure. Then be sure you turn on System Protection. This will let you undo undesired changes by reverting your computer to a previous point in time.